Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073-848-1382, and today we have a 2016 Ford Everest Trend, stock reference number 4433. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. Fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. We have a pair of factory side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets. Left hand rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Less neck. Tailgate power lift tight, appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right hand side step supplied with all bolts and brackets, sold as a pair. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, single heater controls, climate control type, single stack display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and lane keeping aid. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.